Monday, January 19th, and these guys aren't fooling around. They got one side of the tracks here on right now, and we just had the shop yard plowed, and they're trying to get the second set back on. Frankly, I am shocked that they're this far in advance getting this done. They're trying to snip over to the other side though to get a better angle. Okay, so you got 3 guys on this right now trying to roll that track back on. And
come along onto here, yeah. Right here, don't go too far ahead. Butt truck.
so this is a multi-person job. I'm staying out of the way simply because of the fact I might just be in the way here. But putting these tracks back on is never an easy process. The fact that we actually got them off and then all that work got done and then back on is a huge thing. Dad will continue putting on the bearings, races, and seals on the inner ones, but the ones for the rear needed to be back on. Those parts arrived just this morning. Took over 3 weeks to get in, and so I'm going to let these guys use the come along here and stay the hell out of their way.
I'm going to take this thing out today. That is some good condition. There it goes there. Into reverse, nice. Okay, here she comes. Very nice.
Oh, is it okay to leave it here? Yeah. You take it.
Having a little bit of trouble with it running, so Dr. Gary and Professor Aidan are investigating this one. I think he was saying something about power to the alternator. I'm not sure. Maybe a bad ground. Have to see what they say. Kind of funny, while it's stalled, there's a big plow coming up behind it. So we're all sitting there like, oh shit.
I did a quick turn and burn here from town up to the shop to drop off parts this morning. As I was leaving the shop and on the way back to town, I saw the owner of this machine drive towards the shop as I was going back to town. I thought he was coming to pick it up. The guys came out, or they called me at 2 o'clock and they said, can you come out? And I said, well, I can't. Got a meeting. And so the owner came out, they took a tour around the yard and it was running good, but Dad didn't like just how the way it was running and he wanted a new distributor. And so that new distributor is got to come in from the States, I think it is. We can get a new alternator, but we have to make sure we have a new distributor coming in. So that focuses back here to this. And so whereas I thought this machine was out the door today, it's not. But Dad showed him all the work, the guy's happy, and I just need this to move. But they're putting the tracks back on this machine and they can continue working, and hopefully very soon this one's got to come out. Now Dad's got to go to Winnipeg for a quick medical, so they're trying to get as much as they can get done here today now, because for the next 3 days there's no action on anything. And if you can see, that track just slipped onto the other side, and there you go, back on. There you go, Aidan. How many times have you done that now? 4. 4 times.
Okay.
4 machines or 4 tracks?
2 machines, 4 tracks.
There you go.
No, we did this one too. So
Oh, right, yeah.
5 tracks.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. 4 o'clock, I gotta go home.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's progressed, and they're going to keep on doing whatever they're going to do and pick up the tools. And I'm shocked that this is being done. So Aidan and the young fella aren't going to be here for the next couple of days. I got to come out and feed the dogs every day. But this is progressing. Happy to see this happen. So when you took the wheels off the front here, what was are the bearings shot?
Yeah, the bearings and the races are shot.
Okay, but how's the axle there?
The axle's good.
Good.
And there's a big axle.
Okay, so
I gotta put all that together. We're gonna put the skis on and we'll fix them a couple of
okay,
spins.
good. So like I'd mentioned in previous videos, we're gonna do the skis on this because they need spare tires. So lots of work left to go here, guys, but this is the big heavy lifting. So Aidan, how's your apprentice working out?
Pretty good.
Did he earn his change today?
I think so.
Yeah?
The swearing started out pretty heavy, but every day it's a little bit
It's
less
okay.
swearing.
You don't have hurt feelings, do you?
No.
Because there's no hurt feelings reports you can fill out around here. It's you got hurt feelings. It's like, oh well.
You gotta process them on your own time.
Yeah. That's
Just go home and start crying.
crying. Yeah.
Why would he even say that to me?
Yeah.
Oh,
Well.
man.
Just looking out for you.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, so these guys got the tracks back on. Holy shit, I am so ecstatic because this is a nightmare. They're plugging away. The amount of work they've done on this machine in the last 3-4 days is I've never seen that level of output on one machine that quickly, that fast. So you can't beat these guys' effort right now, and I can contact the customer and let them know that we're getting that much closer. So these guys are gonna have an end of day wet, and Dad's gonna have a coffee. Okay, Friday, January 23rd, I had to take part of the day off for an event for a local community member here, but getting back out here at the right time of day. And if you can see, we got one side of the wheels back on here, so we still have the front wheel off here. Dad has some work to do here, but this looks good. Dad didn't say anything when I walked in. He's just visiting with Peter. And then on the other side, we still have 3 tires to go back on. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. But then there's 4, 5, 6. So that means there's a spare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's a spare here. So which is good because I think one of the tires was really screwed. But they'll continue on with this going on tomorrow again because there's no rest around here for Dad and the boys. Dad just got back from medical down in Winnipeg. Everything's fine, so nobody has to panic about anything. We thought this one was going to go out last week. Guys showed up and then they did a test run. Dad mentioned to the customer he didn't like the way things were running, even though he had it all tuned up. And he suggests a new distributor and alternator. So I think the alternator's in, but Monday is when the distributor is going to come in. So despite this being ready to go, Dad figured, well, we'll just wait on, oh yeah, there's the new alternator right there. So he pulled out the old distributor, and it was just junk. It was the original, and it was just a piece of garbage. So guy wasn't too panicky. So hopefully Monday we can get it installed. We can call the customer back and they can come pick up their machine. But again, Dad was gone Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Just got back last night and they're back at it. Peter's visiting, and the dogs are just enjoying their end of day treats here. And Schooner Shop Dog has joined us today with Peter. But it has been brutally cold here the last couple of days. It was minus 47 Celsius with a wind chill yesterday, and it was minus 44 Celsius here today with wind chill. And so even the dogs don't want to be outside. And you know, a couple mornings ago when I showed up to feed Emily and Charlie and whoever else would have showed up, Emily was gone, but Charlie just howled at me, said, get your ass in there and get me warm. So there's Dad and there's Aidan, and maybe they can give me a quick rundown.
These starters are all ready for tomorrow morning.
Okay, tomorrow morning.
The backside is
Done, yeah.
And
So the axles were in better shape than we thought. No? Okay,
we changed one.
okay.
But this side's done, we'll have it greasy. And we're gonna put the distributor in tomorrow. I don't want to open
Oh, I
it
thought
up.
it wasn't arriving till Wednesday, or Monday, I mean.
No, I have a distributor.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
We'll pick up the tools and cut the lights off and get I don't want to start on
Okay, so looks like Dad's done for today. He was busy all last week. It was some nights that we spent till 7 o'clock here, and I really want to get out of here today because I'm tired and I want to go home myself. But that's the progress. Be Dad, Aidan, probably the apprentice again tomorrow, and then that'll be that. So in the meantime, hi to Steve McCoy and all our fans and all everybody else that's joined us here lately and that's been commenting. Don't forget to comment, let us know who you are. And Schooner Shop Dog, you just love the shop, eh, buddy? Yeah, and then Filipino Emily, Nina Pinta Santa Maria, Charles in Charge, and Kitty the Cat.